Hi, this is my showcase of using reinforcement learning to teach ro- two robots how to play tag. So essentially, right now, the tag game is considered non-adversarial, meaning the pursuer is actively trying to chase the evader, but the evader is just doing a simple random walk instead of trying to actively avoid the 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 pursuer. So after roughly uh, uh, 12,000 something episodes of training, uh, the pursuer managed to learn a pretty good uh, chasing and pursuing policy that allows to chase the other robot pretty well in a simple, non-complex map without much obstacle. So as you can see right now, the it is so the pursuer has a general idea of where the evaders is, since the the position of the robots are considered to be ground truth, so both robots know the location of where each other's is. So now it's just so trying to select different turn angles to make it go to the location of this small robot here that's being chased. So this is the evader. As you can see, is doing pretty well right now, chasing the other one. Yep. But sometimes it does miss the mark a little bit, and so right now it has learned the obstacle. It has learned the pursuing behavior, but it doesn't do too great with obstacle avoidance. As soon as you can see, it bumps into the wall there, the pillars there. When in reality, it could have just turned a little bit earlier and catch up to it. So I need to train it more on the map with more obstacle for it to learn obstacle avoidance. Yep. So it's getting towards the location of the other robot. And sometimes it makes some stupid decision and not catch the other one, but generally it does move in the location of the one that is chasing after. Yep. That's this is it for my showcase right now. Like it has only learned some simple following and pursuing behavior, but to make a more complex tag playing AI, I need to train it more on more difficult maps so that it learn how to actually avoid obstacle and calculate the optimal, not optimal, but calculate like a obstacle free path from current location to the location of the evader's robot. So I have to go back and I'm thinking of either retraining it with a slightly modified reward function, or just simply having it train on a more complicated map with more obstacle and see what happens. But right now, I think the reason why it's not doing that much obstacle avoidance is that it rarely has to do that behavior to catch this one. So now it's just greedily selecting the angle to go to the location of this smaller robot here. So it rarely bumps into this pillar or any obstacle, so it never really learned to avoid those obstacles. Yep, this is it for my showcase. Thank you so much for watching. You have a nice day.